Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of the Frontier system. Today we're going to show you how to get started with the system by creating your own forms and then using them in the field. My name is Ben and I'll be taking you through this demonstration. So the first thing to note is that this is the main Frontier window. On the left hand side you have a list of forms. At the moment we don't have any, so none are listed. And on the right hand side we have the Frontier work area. Now, to create your own form, we just go to the My Forms and Designer area. This is the Forms Register, which is where the form we are about to create will eventually appear. So let's just go and start and create our form. So tap the Create a New Form button, and I'm going to call my form the Incident Report. Create that form. Now, I'm here in the standard Frontier Form Designer. On the left here we see the types of controls and elements that we can put in our forms, and in the right hand side we have the actual design area. So the first thing we want to do is label our form as an incident report. So I'm going to add a label to my form by simply just single tapping the label control, and then it becomes available on the design area. As you can see, I can drag my controller anywhere I like, and I can double click on it to get to its properties. I'm going to just label this label incident report. I'm going to make it center aligned, bold, and I'm going to make it 24 points in font size. Close and save that. Now you'll notice that the actual text is too large for the label itself. So that's okay because all controls can be resized. I simply tap on the control and then resize with the resize handle to the size that I want, and then let go. I can then move this control to the top right in the middle, so we know that this form is an incident report. The next thing we want to do is add just a couple of controls. I'm going to keep this quite simple. I'm going to add a what element, which allows users to specify what they saw. I'm going to add a when element, which allows users to specify when they saw the problem, and I'm going to add a photograph control. So let's add a couple of labels to our form. Here we go. And I'm going to label it what and when. Now for the what, I'd like my users to be able to choose from a finite set of options. So that's the select control. So I'm going to add a select control, put it in the right place. Now double click on it to get my properties for it. I'm going to name my control. It's important to name controls because that's the name that will be used for reporting purposes. So that's what. And I'm going to add a bunch of options just off the top of my head, say broken glass or cracked tile. And I'll save that. The next thing I want to do is add a date time control so that users can specify when they saw the problem, and that's here on the left. Add that in, drag it to the right place. Double tap on it, I'm going to give it a name, when, and I'm going to use a date format. Now I'm just going to go and make this a little bit closer together. There we go. Oops. There we are. Oh, make sure they're all lined up. There it is. And then that is the basis of my form. The last thing I need to add is the photograph control. So I just tap on the photograph control. There we go, and put that right in the middle. Now, all of this information is saved automatically both to the iPad and to our Frontier server, so there's no need for you to do that yourself. All you need to do is just navigate back to the form register, and as you can see, we have the incident report available now. We can perform some actions on these forms, which are out of the scope of the current video, but we will have a video up available shortly that shows you how to share forms with other users. So let's exit the form register back to the main Frontier view, and you'll see that the incident report is now available. To create a new incident report, you simply tap on it and press new. You'll be prompted for a job name. All forms have to be within a job, and you can have as many forms as you like within a job. I'm just going to call my job test, and I'm done. And that's it. I'm ready to go. I can specify values for my various fields, like that, and that's how you get started with Frontier. Thank you very much.